In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix mouse not working on Minecraft PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly fix a mouse and keyboard combo that is not working. So, what we're gonna do first is join a world. Even if your mouse or keyboard aren't working just quite yet, just go ahead and join a world regardless. This is important because due to the way that support for mouse and keyboard works on the PlayStation 4, there are a lot of issues that happen when you connect both. So join a world and once again try testing it to see if they work. If they don't work, don't panic. What you have to do now is go into the USB ports of your PlayStation 4 and unplug only your mouse. This is going to leave only the keyboard. Now switch the keyboard to the other USB port that you have and then connect the mouse and see if it works. Make sure that you do this process inside of the game. So basically pull out your mouse USB, press something on the keyboard, put it back, and then connect the mouse again. If it works, you will be able to play on this world using a keyboard and mouse, and even if you back out, it's still going to be working for other worlds. Now, if this still doesn't work, then you can try the opposite, where you disconnect your keyboard first, switch your mouse over to the other USB, and afterwards you connect your keyboard. It seems like a lot of people have said that the order of connections matter. So if you try doing your mouse first and then your keyboard and it doesn't work, try the opposite, and like I said, see whichever one works for you. Afterwards, you will be able to go into the settings, and usually there is going to be something related to mouse and keyboard here for you to confirm. Now, just try unplugging either the mouse or the keyboard while they're both connected, and make sure that you do this in-game, and as long as one of them gets detected first in-game and then you connect the other one, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix mouse not working on Minecraft PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.